Take it out.
Hmm?
And the upper stuff are.
Like this.
Hello friends, in last video we unboxed this Smartivity rocket. In this video, I will assemble his Smartivity rocket with the help of my dad. Hey, tell me which is the first piece.
Oh, this one is the first piece.
Oh,
Remove this.
okay.
Put it there.
Can I put this one here? It was inside this.
Yeah.
Okay. Next piece.
That's the big one. Yes. Good. Now do like as per instructions. Do like.
Yes, I put this here. And
Now this has to be.
oh, I know.
No, wrong.
How?
Yes. Keep it inside. No.
Oh, I know.
Yes. Hmm?
I like this rocket. I'm going to. Ooh, it's standard.
Yeah. Now take.
We need to take out this glass.
Yes.
Okay. One piece. Can I put it like this? Just tell me the way. I will put it.
Push like this only.
Friends. So is this structure looking like a rocket?
See. First push like this. Slowly up to this. Then you have to press here. This sides corner. Then it will move inside.
Can
Okay.
I do it once?
Yeah.
Then you
Then
name me.
Then afterwards you have to just slowly here. Okay.
Yes.
Now you do that.
We should push these pieces inside the rocket. Then it will be steady. It will able to handle it by itself. Look, the rocket's almost done, but there are some more pieces. We will do it afterwards.
Yeah, we may need it in future. Okay.
We
I
will
will keep it side.
we will do it in future next time. But do we need it now or not?
Now we don't want it.
Why?
We'll start preparation of launcher.
Yes.
Please open it.
This is the launcher B. Can I please come back with the CJ?
No, I can open it.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
It's a launcher upside. Is it just like this?
Yeah. Great.
Okay.
This is a top disc actually.
Locking plate.
This is the bottom disc.
This is the bottom of all disc. The bottom of all.
These are the pillars.
And what?
These are the pillars.
And this is lock and lance. I will just see firstly. It feels to me it's like going into space. Our this is completed, and our there to swast is one more right there, which is about to do now. Almost ready. So let's complete tonight. It's a very fun time and it's very interesting. I used to buy it to Mayo only because it's very nighty at my house. So it's it like this. No. Just sit here. Now let's come. Friends, this rocket is ready for launching. You also buy it and try to blast off the rocket. So friends, let's start to launch the rocket. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!